So hello there, thank you for watching Harry Ashcott Studios, and today I would like to review one of the best drill products. Okay, so today we are going to unboxing the basic unit for HILDA drills. Okay, this one is a cordless drill which is for 16.8 volt. Okay, so how it looks like. So the basic unit you will get, what we will get is the charger. Okay, the charger is for the input 100 to 240 VAC or 50 to 60 Hertz, and the output is 16.8 volt direct current, 1.3 ampere. So this is the charger for the battery. Okay, so this package comes with two battery. Okay, so both battery got the same sticker on the back. You can see HILDA 16.8 volt lithium ion battery. Okay, it was the same. Okay, this is how it looks like, the battery. So I'm gonna show you how you're going to charge it, since it didn't come with the docking system. So this is the head of the charger. You just plug it in here. Okay, if you see, this is all the connection for the battery, but on this side there is hole there, so you just pull it in and you can start charge it. So the lamp here will show you the red lamp if the battery is empty, but if the battery is full, it will turn to green. Okay, so this is how if you want to charge it. Same here. So you got two battery, which is one spare. Okay, during you do the works. So this is the HILDA cordless drill. Okay, so the battery we just install by sliding over here. So it's done. Okay, so you can see this is the sticker for HILDA. So the detailing is like this. So this is have a multi-speed, which is if you press low, then for the low key, but if you press harder, it go very fast and fast. Okay, so I'm going to show you for the testing for drilling, and I want to show you if we want to drill a thin steel. Okay, whether it can drill it or not. Okay, for the HILDA cordless drill. Okay, so for the weight itself is a bit heavy, but it looks very quality. If you can see here. Okay, so the maximum diameter for your drill bit is the 10 mm only. So you can use the below 10 mm drill bit. Okay, so this is the rotation per minute. Okay, you can see there the load 18 to 30 Newton per meter. Okay, so this HILDA cordless drill, you can see here. So this button for the reverse, and the other one is for the forward button. So up here you got speed for 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. So over here you can see the function of the speed for screw, drill and hammer drill. Okay, so you got 3 function, and the speed is come from 1, 2, 3 until 25. You see, until 25. So you just twist this one to get your speed which you like. Okay, you can choose it from here. Just spin it up. Same with this function. You see the arrow here, so you can choose whether you want a drill function or you need hammer function. Okay, so it's a bit tight. Okay, so what I'm going to show is I'm going to test for the one for the screw, for drilling and for screwing. Okay, so we're going to test this one, so you have to see all the functions. And the drill chuck is a 3-jaw and doesn't use the Allen key. You just tighten it by hand. Okay, so we're going to test it out. Let's go. Okay, now I'm going to test it. Okay, get it. So HILDA drills. First, try to screw it. 4 screw, and the speed is number 1. It's really tight, you can see, really tight. So I'm going to drill the steel using this screw. Okay, oh, you can see it. So I need to adjust this one. Okay, so you see it, I'm drilling a thick steel. So you see, this thin steel can be drilled just using screw and speed number 1. So magnificent. So this drill is really powerful. So try it again. This really powerful machine for HILDA. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you. So try this one. For the grill. the best machine ever. Thank you for watching.